Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Hurry in today for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.